favorite Irish.
Sanbonani bangani makhayana. I come back. Mbukela something in the lemming. I have a lot to do. I have to, first of all, about 6:30 ngivukele ukuthi nhlanhla kuyaw. Doing this for you. Ngivukele ukuthi like ngimphole nhlanhla before she leaves because uthi uhamba ngabo 8. So I woke up early so I can catch up before she leaves because I bought her a gift for her birthday. Yahlala endlini ngomasolo ngilele angiphumi not like I feel so embarrassed. But yeah, I wanted to leave with a gift and ngiyokhala ngiyomhaka bese ngibuyela endlini ngiyakhala. Sheila is leaving me again. There's that. I'm waiting for Nhlanhla. And I'm gonna get a gift here again. Say our goodbyes. And then I wanted to take a walk. My hair is itchy. I wanted to take a walk, but nje angazi. Dobona khona ngebe i-waist yamake. Mommy, I love you, but I want to snatch this waist. Ngebe waist yamake. I want to try and see what that would look like. So if I do take a walk, don't hold me accountable. Don't. I have to go and run a few errands. Stabona nase siphuma ukuthi what am I doing? But yeah, that's my day. So stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe, or else you know that real. Sizokuthola ngekube mnandi. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We're back. Ciao. Let us unbox this little thing that I got a long time ago. I just stuffed it away because of reasons. Anyway, it's pink, obviously. In all her glory. In all her glory. Can you see this? Can you see this? Like I said, let's open it up. Oh, bunch. I don't know why I've been avoiding this cup. Drink directly with the straw close. Okay. We love a versatile girl now. I love it. Anyway. That's not standing, but this is gonna do. This is perfect. Perfection. Think a light can be too dark. You ain't get to see her. Oh, like I said, my new baby. I bought this Matapam Gasatan. If you know where that is, that's where I got this. All I know is Tiwa Gasatani, but like, but it's in Tesco. Yum. and it was 100 and it was 100 rand, being 100 rand, and I love it. I love it. I'm so in love. It is time for this girl to leave. A little something to take with her. Anytime vele ngalala vele washo njalo nje ngavele ngafikela bufongo ngalala. Okay, I come back. Nhlanhla is gone. She's going back to Zambia. I want to see her before she leaves. Now I have to get ready to go run errands. I'm not going for the walk. It's too cold. So let's go get ready. Get ready with me. I want to do my lashes. But I don't even have lashes for real. I don't know. Should I ruin my lashes? Should I ruin my lashes? I don't know. That's no. But I miss having lashes on. So let's do this. I'm lying to myself. These are all used. I only have 3 that are not used. I'm gonna make it work. Let's go. Let's go. Try on haul. You know what time it is. So I got shoes. These cute. And these, I love these. They're pink. They are fresh. And then I got joggers. They're in a size small, so let's fit them. Oh yeah, I also got this. Cute. Like, very cute. The color is brown. It looks black, but it's dark brown. They were 50 rand. Anyway, the joggers. I'm short, so I have to stand or something. I feel like I don't like the fit because I wanted them to be baggy. But they're not. So next, I've got these shorts in size 30. Size 30. Let's see if it fits. I'm surprised they fit, which means I'm a size 30 now, not a size 28 or 24. But then there's this. This is killer of progress. But they feel nicely. I love them. I love them. The problem is here. Oh. Also got this top, but I'm not gonna put it on. No size. But it's cute. I can go with these pants outfit. Dresses. I got this dress with this type of cut. I've been wanting this dress. It's so long. Let's feel it. Oh, I got it in a size small. Don't mind the t-shirt. I didn't take the t-shirt off. But it fits. Let me show you. It's so long. I thought it would be too long, but it's just perfect. I'm gonna suck in this stuff. But I have to wear it with shorts underneath. It has a slit on the side. Is it on there? Oh, it's at the back. Can you tell I'm happy? I got the same dress in a nude color. Same size. Yeah, it's just the same. It's just different color. I feel like I love them so much. I want to get them in all the colors. Love it. I'm so happy. I've been wanting this dress. Now that I have it. Anyway, last item is this dress in also small. It's the same fabric but like different cut. This one doesn't have any slit. It's plain on. So this one is perfect. I'd have to wear it with like a different bra so that like the strips don't show, you know. A different bra that will go here. It's just like wear bra, a strapless bra, you know. I'd also have to wear this one with shorts because it's kind of low-key see-through. Oh no. But I like it. I like the material. I like the fit. I like I'm so happy. Retail therapy, guys. Retail therapy. I wanna buying things makes me happy. Give me money to go buy things. But I love it. Let's see. It's just the same fit, but this one is long. I love it. Shakira. Oh, baby, talk like that. You ain't going it. Happy girl, Gesana. All this fitting has messed up my hair, but yeah, I'm done for the day. Unless something else happened, this is where I'm ending the vlog, because like there's nothing else I'm gonna do right now other than just take these clothes off and go to sleep. Finna knock out. Might take a walk, but like undoes, but like I didn't do much, but I had fun. I can't wait to buy more clothes. When am I buying new clothes? I need more. I love this feeling. Oof. But I love the feeling of wearing them as an outfit way more. So anyway, yeah, that's it from me. Next vlog most likely is gonna be maintenance week, because I can't be looking like this. I did my lashes in the morning, but like still I gotta, my eyebrows, I mess, my nails, like let me show you my nails. Wait, I don't know if you can see, but my nails, MS. These nails lasted me. They lasted me a whole month, so they got to go, baby. They got to. It's time to say goodbye. I love them, but let me love and leave them. I don't know what else I'm gonna do with my nails, but like I'll see. I have an idea. Most likely they're gonna be pink, but like don't hold me now. Might change my mind, but like we'll see. Anyway, love you. Like, comment, and subscribe, or else sizokuthola. Come on now, just tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye.